Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we are opening up another Harry Potter vinyl figure from the Funko Mystery Mini collection. And yesterday we had Snape, so that was an awesome start. And today I'm really hoping for Bellatrix. So let's find who we have. Pause this video and comment down below, have you opened any of these? And if you did, what did you get? And we have something big. Oh, I hope this is Selkie. That would be awesome because they're like 1 in 72. Oh, we have the dragon! There's spikes. Oh, that is cute. And a huge figure. Wow, I thought these were going to be smaller because the pets are always smaller. So compared to Snape. Wow. Thank you so much for watching and please subscribe if you already haven't. I'm going to be opening up another Funko Mystery Mini Harry Potter series tomorrow. And thanks for watching. Bye!